Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, let's talk about the Dot & Key 72 Hours Probiotic Hydrating Gel. I make a lot of skincare reviews, hair care reviews, makeup related reviews and some tutorials. So overall beauty content. So if you're interested, then please make sure you're subscribed so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So this is the first product that I tried from this brand and I have a lot of things to share with you today. So let's get started. This product comes in two different quantity, 25 ml and 60 ml. The 25 ml one is priced at 475 rupees and the 60 ml one is priced at 745 rupees. The one which I got is the 25 ml one. This product comes in this cardboard box and the actual product comes in a glass jar packaging. Talking about the texture, as they call it a gel, it is really a gel based. It has a gel based texture. It is a water based moisturizer. It's quite easy to apply and it also gets absorbed very quickly into the skin. This is the complete ingredient list of this moisturizer. Some of the active ingredients used in this moisturizer are hyaluronic acid, fermented rice water and probiotics. They have also added silicones in this formulation. There are some synthetic fragrance and added colors as the last two ingredients in this. Let's see what are the claims that they have made about this product. They say it intensely hydrates for long hours and maintains skin's moisture barrier, balances skin's microbiome and improves overall skin texture, alleviates dull, dehydrated and parched skin lacking nourishment. With regular application, skin appears plump, hydrated and dewy. Oil-free, lightweight gel, ideal for all skin types. These were all of the claims that they have made about this product on their website. Now coming to my experience of using this product, one of their claims say that it is suitable for all skin types, but I would say that this would suit mostly oily to combination skin, and especially people with extremely oily skin would love this. But I wouldn't recommend this to people with dry skin because this can be a little bit less hydrating and less moisturizing to dry skin people. It does keep the skin hydrated, moisturized for a long period of time, but 72 hours is a bit too long. I can't go 72 hours without washing my face. Talking about the texture, as I said, this is a gel based moisturizer. It has that water based formula which is great for oily skin, extremely oily skin and also combination skin. The formula is really nice and once you apply it, it immediately gets absorbed into the skin. Non-oily, non-greasy formula, extremely lightweight. It doesn't feel like you've applied any cream, anything on the face, so it is great. The texture is really nice. Talking about the fragrance, it does contain fragrance as the second last ingredient. It does have a prominent fragrance. Even after application, the scent lingers. So I would say it has quite a prominent fragrance and I was worried that it would break me out, and my skin is oily and acne prone. But for some reason, it did not break me out. There are certain type of fragrances that break out my skin. Now there could be thousands, 10,000 different forms of fragrances. So not really sure what can cause breakouts, but this particular one did not break me out. But they have mentioned that it is dermatologically tested and 100% safe. But in case you want to try this product, you can always go for the smaller quantity and test it out first, and then if you like it, then you can invest in the bigger tub. As I said, it does contain silicones as well in this formulation. There are a few different types of silicones used in this formulation, and that is why after application the skin also feels extremely smooth and soft. It also works really well under makeup too. So today also I have applied it under my makeup. It does work as a good makeup base. It doesn't cause excessive sweating, so it works great under makeup. Overall, this moisturizer is really great. It works for oily to combination skin types. Really nice one, lightweight, non-oily, non-greasy, extremely lightweight formula, works well under the makeup. It's a very good product. That is all from my overall review of the Dot & Key 72 Hours Probiotics Hydrating Gel. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe for more such skincare reviews. And you'll find some of these reviews in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.